Hey, what's up? Good morning. It's again your boy Papa Borgi, and in today's video, I will just actually do a quick review of a bang in the buck item. It is actually one of the items that I've been eyeing for quite some time in, online shopping that I just don't want to mention, but I will include the link of the item on the comment section or in the description. Anyways, this is a gaming headset. I really love this because not only because of the reviews, but because of the exact product or the product itself. It is pretty durable as far as I can see, and it functions very well. Just don't want to keep this long rather. This is a gaming headset, and it is the SADES. Let me pick it up real quick. So here you go, guys. This is the gaming headset that I was able to purchase just a couple of weeks ago, and I'd tell you it's a bang in the buck. It's a good buy. This is perfect, really. It's pretty amazing, really, because not only because of the price, but it is also because it functions very, very well. Whenever you do gaming, you can definitely hear your opponents or your allies talking to each other or strategizing, whatever that game will be, maybe. It's pretty amazing. I gotta show you the product, okay? Again, this is only a quick review, just to add up on what we've been talking about. This is the actual product, guys, and it's pretty amazing. It's sturdy, it is flexible, and the sound is excellent. It's so perfect. It's clear, the bass is so powerful, and the microphone is very sensitive. They did advertise, this is one more thing though, they did advertise it as a noise cancellation, but I think you can only maximize and use the noise cancellation feature of the headset if you will install its drivers, because it does include such drivers, the CD driver, but you can still use the product, the item, without installing the drivers. It's just going to be a plug. So it's an easy read. It has a very sturdy looking USB. So by the looks of it, it's very much cool. Let me go ahead and plug it in. Alright. And what's perfect is, as all gaming headset, it lit up. I chose a red color to match my computer setup, so it's pretty amazing. As you can see, its emblem is lighting up. It's pretty cool. It's luxurious. And the good thing about it is that it has foam. It has memory foams on top of the headset. Probably, to make it more ease whenever you put it on top of your head, it doesn't hurt. And it has a large ear muff. So if you put it in, it definitely covers the whole ear, and you rarely hear anything talking outside of it or in the background. You are more focused on the game. It's pretty amazing. It does speak for its feature, except from the noise cancellation, but I think if you would definitely run the drivers, noise cancellation would take effect right away. That's pretty much it. I was able to test everything on this one, and it is pretty neat because it does work. As I said, I just hope that you guys can actually listen to the music coming from the headset, from the gaming headset itself. It is nice. As I said, as I mentioned earlier, the bass is so powerful. The other sounds are crisp and precise, so you can definitely hear whatever your teammates are talking to you, or even if you're listening to your favorite music, you'll be able to listen to them on the top grade level. It's pretty amazing. So then again, guys, I will include the link on the description box. Feel free to check it out. Then again, I would tell you it's a bang in the buck. It's a good buy. If I were you, just go ahead and try it. It's I would mention the price though, but I didn't say it's cheap, but it is worth the price. If you're looking for such not that too expensive gaming headset, but it does perform to what it was created for. So that's pretty much it, guys. I'll just include some other clips and some other videos that I've created, and please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Click on the like button and the notification bell so that you will be notified for further future videos that I'll create for reviews or how-tos. And please don't forget to comment down below if you have any other questions, clarifications, as well as you have things or items that you want me to do reviews on. Again, this is your boy Papa Borgi. I salute. Pop, thank you so much, and have a great day. Bye.